Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Bluehost subscription. Now, a lot of people want to know how can you actually go and cancel a Bluehost subscription. It's very easy, so let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is actually a really great website where I found basically a way to cancel a Bluehost subscription and also get a refund for your subscription. So as you can see, basically you will need to go and click on the question mark icon right here when you log in into your Bluehost dashboard. From there, you will need to visit the contact page right here. As you can see, we'll have that, and then chat now. Now here you can just put existing customer, your first name, last name, identifier, your domain. If you have phone or email, you can also put that. Click next, and then all you have to do is just say here, close your account, share hosting, NA. You can do that, whatever you prefer and whatever you have purchased on Bluehost. And then as you can see, you will need to go here and start the chat. And from there, you can just say, I'd like to close my account, stuff like that. And then, once you got that, you can basically close the account. Also, you can also ask them for a refund. Usually they will give you a refund, if you ask, obviously. If you don't ask, then, there are no chances that they will give you a refund. But always ask, it could be something that, you will get a refund. Usually, that's not the case, but in probably 40% or 30% of chances you will get a refund. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.